Remove the grates from the unit. Locate and remove the screws from the inside edge of the stove. Locate and remove the knobs from the front panel. Open the oven door. Locate and remove the 2 screws from the inside edge of the oven. Locate and remove the top screws on the knob rings. Carefully remove the front panel. Set it on something to make the repair easier. Locate the 2 igniter plugs on the left side of the unit. Mark the plugs so you know the correct sequence when plugging them back in. Unplug both cables. Remove the seat clamp on the knob pin. Use a pair of pliers to remove the seat clamp. Repeat this on all the pins. Pull the igniters off the unit one at a time. Replace the old igniters with the new ones. You'll hear them snap into place once they're installed. Slide the seat clamp onto the pin and push into place with a pair of pliers. Repeat this on all the knob pins. Plug in the cables following your sequence. Slide the front panel onto the unit. Secure the front panel to the unit with the screws from earlier. Secure the bottom of the front panel with the 2 screws from earlier. Close the oven door. Attach the knobs back onto the unit. Secure the back of the front panel with the screws from earlier. Place the grates back onto the unit.